ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. Today we come to the 18th day reading of Sri Viveka Chodamani. In this we cover about two topics. Yesterday we closed with the Annamaya Kosha description and rejecting it as non-self. So Sankara now goes on to describing Pranamaya Kosha. Karmendriyaihi panchabhiranchitoyam prano bhavet pranamayastu kosyaha yenatmavan annamayo anupurnaha pravartate asau sakala kriyasu. Panchabhihi karmendriyaihi anchitaha, 5 active action organs group together with the 5 organs of action. Ayam, this pranaha pranamayaha, the life force which constitutes the life force filled stilch koshaha bhavet. Yena atmavan anupurnaha, so it is pervading all that Annamaya Kosha. It is there everywhere in the Annamaya Kosha. Anupurnaha, it is filled everywhere. Asau, that Annamaya Kosha is filled with the Pranamaya Kosha and also it pervades it. It actually envelops it. Sakala kriyasu pravartate. So in all the actions, the electricity or the power behind all the actions is prana. That is the description of Pranamaya Kosha. So in this next sloka, Naivatmayam Pranamayo Vayuvikaraha Ganta Aganta Vayavaha Antarbahihi Eshaha. Ganta Aganta Vayavadantarbahi Esha. Yasmat Kinchit Kwapi Naveteshtamanishtam Swamvanyam Va Kinchana Nityam Paratantraha. So Shankara gives 2 reasons why the prana or the vital force, the energy which is running this body, the Annamaya Kosha, is not Atma. Vayu Vikaraha, like a transformation of air, Pranamayaha, I am Pranamayaha, Atma Naiva, it's not the self. Esha Vayuvat Antarbahi Ganta Aganta, it is going inside and coming out, going in, coming out. Yasmat Kwapi Ishtam Anishtam Navetti, it is not able to know what is agreeable, what is non-agreeable. Ishtam Anishtam Navetti, it is not able to know anything. Unconscious. Nityam Paratantraha, always it is under the control of somebody else. Swamva Anyamva Navetti, so it is not knowing itself or it is not knowing anything else. So Vayu Vikaraha, it is the energy, just like electricity, it just passes through. So it is not actually conscious. So some link this Pranamaya Kosha with the gross body or the Annamaya Kosha, some link this with the Manomaya Kosha, but actually both views are correct. It is the glue that connects the Annamaya Kosha with Manomaya Kosha. So that is what it is, but we have seen sufficient explanation why the Pranamaya Kosha cannot be Atma. So with that we will move into the Manomaya Kosha, which is the longest possible description about a Kosha Shankara gives, because this covers all the subtle body which we have seen earlier. Jnanandriyani cha manascha manomaya syat कोशो मम अहमिति, कोशो ममाहमिति वस्तु विकल्प हेतु సంజ్ఞాదిభేదకలనా కలితో బలీయాన్ తత్పూర్వకోశమనుపూర్య విజృంభతే యః. జ్ఞానేంద్రియాణి, ఆల్ 5 sensory organs, manascha, whatever is called mind, mama ahamiti, mine and I, vastu vikalpa hetuhu, which is creating this vikalpas or the transformations of mine and I and all these different things. Manomaya kosaha syat, it becomes the stilch of mental manomaya kosaha, measuring manomaya, man actually is measuring, manomaya kosaha syat. Sanyadi bheda kalana kalitaha, so it is all symbolic, it creates a symbol for everything. Sanya adi bheda kalana kalitaha, it creates all the distinctions, all the symbols, it attaches a symbol for everything. Baliyan, very powerful. Yaha tat purva kosham, which is filling everything. Anupurya, which is completely filling the previous kosha, which is pranamaya kosha. And vijrumbhate, it is also growing, or it is pervading and is actually expanding as well. So here we need to understand these koshas are not like one is fitting inside the other. It is not that annamaya kosha, within the annamaya kosha there is pranamaya kosha, within the pranamaya kosha there is manomaya kosha. Actually these koshas are covering the previous kosha. Grossest kosha is annamaya kosha, but annamaya kosha is run by the pranamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha is run by the manomaya kosha. So it is more subtler and pervades the kosha underneath. So in the pranamaya kosha, vijrumbhate, so it is actually projecting as well, it is creating as well. Panchendriyaihi panchabhireva hotrubhihi ప్రచీయమానో విషయాజ్య ధారయ జాజ్వల్యమానో బహువాసనేంధనై మనోమయో అగ్నిర్దహతి ప్రపంచం. Here Sankara gives a wonderful similarity between a sacrifice and the yajna and this manomaya kosha. Panchendriyai, of the 5 indriyas, panchabhireva hotrubhihi, these are the priests, hotas, who are bringing vishayajya dharaya, who are bringing all 5 sensory organs are the hotas, they are bringing the vishaya ajya dhara, bringing like a continuous stream of ajya dhara, means the oil, the ghee, which is clarified ghee, which is being put into the yajna, ajya dharaya prachiyamanaha, is growing bahuvasanendanaihi, which is also burning the vasanas. Vasanas means one's own attitudes, one's own likes and dislikes which have been carried from the past. Bahuvasanendanaihi jajvalyamanaha manomayaha agni prapancham dahati. So what this manomaya agni is actually doing is it is burning the whole world. So everything what is caused in the world is happening because of the mind, manomaya kosha. So it's a anybody who has performed these yajnas will understand what will happen. Hotas are bringing these things, putting in there, agni is growing, it is burning these vishayas, the world basically. So now he goes into explain what is the bondage which is it is creating. నహస్త్య విద్యా మనసోతిరిక్త మనోహ్య విద్యా భవబంధయేతు తస్మిన్ వినష్టే సకలం వినష్టం విజృంభితేస్మిన్ సకలం విజృంభతే మనసః అతిరిక్త అవిద్య న అస్తి. దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఇగ్నోరెన్స్ అదర్ దాన్ ద మైండ్. హి is confirmed, this is confirmed, this is the nasti hi. Bhavabandha hetuhu avidya manaha hi. Mind only is the bondage. Tasmin vinashte, once the mind is lost, sakalam vinashtam, everything is lost, everything disappears. Asmin, that this mind vijrumbhate, when it grows, it projects, samastam vijrumbhati, everything grows. स्वप्ने अर्धशून्ये सृजति स्वशक्या भोक्त्रादिविश्यं मन एव सर्वं तथैव जाग्रत्यपि नो विशेषः तत्सर्वमेतन्मनसो विजृम्भणम्. अर्धशून्ये स्वप्ने मन एव स्वशक्ता सर्वं भोक्त्रादिविश्वं सृजति. So in the swapna, in the dreaming time, on its own power, it is able to create the consumer and the consumed, both the enjoyer and the enjoyed, vishayas and the experiencer, experiences and the experiencer. Tathaiva, in the same way, jagratyapi, while waking up stage as well, visheshaha, no, there is no difference between the experiences experienced in the sleeping time, whatever is the swapna, dreaming state, and waking up state. Tadetat sarvam manasaha vijrumbhanam eva. So it is only the projection of mind alone. Sushipti kale manasi praline नैवास्ति किंचित सकल प्रसिद्धेः अतो मनः कल्पित एव पुंसः संसार एतस्य न वस्तुतोऽस्ति. So the explanation, the reasoning is given. While in the deep sleep, when the mind is completely dissolved, manasai praline naivasti kinchit, there is nothing else exists. Sakala prasiddhe, everyone experiences this, everybody sakala prasiddhi. Ato मनःसंकल्पित एव पुंसः संसार एतस्य न वस्तुतोऽस्ति. So पुंसः संसारः, the bondage of births and deaths is kalpita, manahkalpitam eva, caused by the mind alone. वायुना नीयते मेघः पुनस्तेनैव लीयते मनसा कल्प्यते बन्धः मोक्षस्तेनैव कल्प्यते. So another level Shankara takes us with this sloka, just as if the air or the wind moves the cloud and cloud gets dissolved into the wind itself. In the same way, mind only creates the bondage and mind only releases the bondage as well. It gives the moksha as well. Dehadi sarva vishaye parikalpya ragam badhnati tena purusham pasuvad gunena vairasya mitra vishavatsu vidhaya paschadenam vimochayati tanmana eva bandhat. Dehadi sarva vishaye, in all the objects including the annamaya kosha deha, body, all the indriyas and everything, all these external bondage like suns, etc. Dehadi, so dehadi sarva vishaye, when starting from deha, everything else. Ragam parikalpya, attachment, creating the attachment, tena, by that attachment, gunena, that ragam, rajoguna, from that rajoguna, of that rope, pasuvat purusham badhnati, is binding the individual like an animal is bound with a rope. Paschat tat manayevaha Tatra vairasyam, vairagyam, he has not used the vairagyam, he has used the vairasyam. There is a slight subtle difference between vairagyam or vairasyam. Ras is essence, vairasyam is essentially nothing. So, anasakti, in other words, it is called non-attachment. Vishayiva, suvidhaya bandhat vimochayati. So mind only is getting a person, a cause for release as well. Tasman manah karanamasya jantoh bandhasya mokshasya cha va vidhane bandhasya hetur malinam rajogunaihi mokshasya hetur virajastamaskam. So without, that's why with all this reasoning, asya jantoho bandhasya mokshasya cha va vidhane manah karanam eva mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. So that is what is being told in a different way. So for bandha the reason is rajogunaihi. Rajoguna is causing the attachment, and it is rajogunaihi, using multiple rajastamo gunai, basically put together. Malinam, by polluted by the rajastamo gunai, that is the bandhasya hetuhu. Virajastamaskam, virajatamaskam. Rajas, tamas are removed. After removing the mokshasya hetu, the mind only becomes mokshasya hetu. So manomaya kosha is cause for both bandha and moksha. It has been explained. Now again a reinforcement of the viveka vairagya gunatirekas chuddhasya masadya mano vimuktai bhavatyato buddhimato mumukshos tabhyam drodhabhyam bhavitavyam agre. Viveka vairagya gunatirekan, viveka vairagya gunas, they are also gunas. Suddhatvam, having purified asadya manaha vimuktaihi bhavati, mind only gets released from itself. Ataha buddhimataha mumukshoho tabhyam viveka vairagyas, both to agre dhrudabhyam bhavitavyam. So whoever is a seeker should make strong viveka and vairagya. Manonama mahavyaghra vishayaranya bhumishu charatyatra nagachantu sadhavo ye mumukshavaha. A seeker should not go near by this mahavyaghra, a great lion, great tiger, where it is going indriya bahirmukha. What is going mind followed, mind which is following the indriyas is the mahavyaghra. Vishayaranya bhumishu, in the aranya, in a big great forest consisting of so many vishayas. So this is same thing in the Bhagavad Gita also comes. Sangat sanjayate kamaha kamo krodho vijayate krodhat bhavati sammoha sammoha smriti vibhramaha smriti bhramsat buddhinasaha buddhinasat pranasyati. So there is no avidya other than mind. Mind only will remove, and should be very clear about, a seeker should be very clear about dealing with this mind. Manah prasute vishayanaseshan stulatmana sokshmataya cha bhoktuhu sarira varnashrama jati bedhan gunakriya hetu phalani nityam. Manaha bhoktuhu, mind only is the consumer, enjoyer of stula sokshmataya, of gross body or subtle body, sarira varnashrama jati bedhan, of these bodies, of the varnas or ashramas or jatis, by birth, based on the birth, based on the life stage, based on the duties, based on the bodies. Gunakriya hetu phalani, of these gunas, of these qualities, of these actions, of their causes, and of their results. Aseshan vishayan prasute, it is projecting, creating, bringing out all these things, just like a dream brings out all these things. Asanga chidrupa mumum vimohyaha dehendriya pranagunair nibadhyaha aham mameti brhamayatyajasram manaha swakrutyeshu phalopa bhuktishu. Manaha asanga chidrupan chit amum dehe vimohya. So this mind is making the original chit, the consciousness, to appear as if deluded, then by which is bound by prana, indriya, guna, all those things, I am, the concept of ego rises in there. Mama, the concept of mine rises in there. Ajasram, always, swakrutyeshu, getting into these actions of the desire actions or desireless actions people do. Then the phalas, the results which come in, are consumed by the individual. Brahmayati. By this, the whole cycle is going around. అధ్యాస యోగాత్ పురుషస్య సంస్కృతి అధ్యాస బంధత్వమునైవ కల్పితః రజస్తమో దోషవతో వివేకినో జన్మాది దుఃఖస్య నిదానమేతత్. So rajastamo gunas, these two gunas are the reason for the avarana and vikshepa shakti. We have seen this in detail in earlier. So vivekinaha purushasya adhyasa yogat samsrutihi. So this basic misunderstanding is causing this body. Adhyasa bandhatu, it is creating the bondage as well, which is getting manah prasute, from the mind only it is all coming out. So the ataha prahur mano vidyam panditas tattvadarshinaha yenaiva bhramyate viswam vayuneva brahmandalam. So the mumukshus have to realize this, base reason of the whole of the world as mind. తన్మనశోధనం కార్యం ప్రయత్నేన ముముక్షుణ విశుద్ధే సతి చైతస్మిన్ ముక్తి కరఫలాయతే. సో whoever is a seeker, his primary duty తన్మనశోధన ఏవ, తన్మనశోధనం కార్యం ప్రయత్నతే ముముక్షుణ. So by the effort, by putting a special effort, one has to purify the mind itself. Visuddhe sati chetasmin, once it is purified of the rajo and tamo gunas, muktihi karaphalayate. Mukti becomes a fruit in the hand. It is so easy to take. Mukti becomes a karafalaha ayate when the atma shodhana happens, one by the prayatna. So one should look inside and do the atma shodhana. So how to do that atma shodhana? మోక్షైక సత్యా విషయేషు రాగం నిర్మూల్య సన్యస్య చ సర్వకర్మ సచ్శ్రద్ధయాయ శ్రవణాదినిష్టో రజస్వభావం స ధునోతి బుద్ధేః. సో మోక్షస్య సక్త, బీయింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ ద release from the bondage with intense desire for the release. Vishayeshu ragam, by removing the attachment from these sense objects. Nirmulya, removing the ahankara. Sarvakarma samnyasya, removing the attachment to all the actions. Sat shraddhaya, with good faith of the Guru's Vakya. Yaha Sravanadinishta, one who goes to a Guru and listens to what teacher is teaching. Buddhehe Rajasva Bhavam Dhunoti, his buddhi, intellect or the mind, the quality of the Rajas or the creating, projecting power will be removed, it will be cleared. సో మనోమయో నాపి భవేత్ పరాత్మ హ్యద్యంతవత్వాత్ పరిణామి భావాత్ దుఃఖాత్మకత్వాద్ విషయత్వ హేతో ద్రష్టా హి దృశ్యాత్మతయా న ద్రష్టః. సో ఇన్ ద లాస్ట్ శ్లోక యాక్చువల్లీ explaining all this process of manas is the cause for everything, but we have to be very clear about this. Adyantavatvat, adi anta adyantavatvat, which is having beginning and end. Parinami bhavat, which is having the transformation. Dukkhatmakatvat, having the misery of dukkha. Vishayatva hetoho, which is causing the several vishayatvas, vishayatvam. Manomayopi, this manomaya kosha also paratma na bhavet. It is not the atma, paratma. It is not the self. So never mistake, not to mistake. It is sat. It is still not sat. It is not eternal, because of all these transformations being there, all this beginning and ending being there. So with this sloka, we come to the end of understanding the Manomaya Kosha and rejecting that as not self. Swasti.